Hi friends and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name's George Agambar and I'm a UK music producer. Today is the beginning of a brand new short series. I've been asked to make an absolute beginner's guide to recording a song. So this series of videos will give you an introduction to the wonderful world of audio production. There are thousands of videos on YouTube taking you through the intricacies of recording and producing, which can lead you down a rabbit hole for weeks on end. But by the end of this series of videos, you should feel confident in recording your first ever song and feel ready to take it to that next level. So make sure you stay tuned and hit the subscribe button and notification bell to follow along.
And things will never be the same when I hear your name since you kissed me in the rain.
So the chances are, if you're watching this video, you probably have some of the kit you need to be able to record. Whether this be the computer, or the software, or perhaps even some of the hardware. Or maybe all of this stuff is on your Christmas list, or you plan to browse the January sales. Or maybe it's your New Year's resolution to learn how to record a song. If this sounds like you, then you're definitely in the right place. Today we're going to be having a look at all the equipment you need to be able to record. So let's start with the bare minimum. So there are a few things that you need to be able to record that you will have to buy. Firstly, you'll need a computer with a DAW software on it, and I will leave the advisable computer specifications to look out for down in the description. Next, you'll need a microphone if you plan on recording any acoustic instrument or vocals. And then you'll need an audio interface to carry the signal from your microphone or from your instrument into your computer. And finally, you'll need some leads to plug all of this stuff in with. You'll need an XLR lead to plug in your microphone to the interface, a jack-to-jack lead to plug in any instruments to your interface, and a USB lead relevant to your interface to plug into your computer. But saying all this, there is an even more simplistic setup. You can simply use a device like an iPhone or an iPad that comes with GarageBand and record straight into this. It obviously won't get the best results, but is the simplest way to record. Ideally, we'd have a bit more than the bare minimum to make our workflow a lot easier, a lot more effective, and to get better results. I'd really recommend investing in a pair of studio monitors to listen to your mixes through. Although you can use your computer or laptop or phone speakers, studio monitors are going to give you a much better idea of how your mixes sound and help you achieve better results. Headphones are also really worth investing in, firstly because we can also use them for mixing, and secondly for recording vocals or instruments. It means that you can listen to the track that you're recording along to without having any bleed going into the track you're recording. I would also consider investing in a MIDI controller, and this is because it makes inputting MIDI instruments into your DAW so much easier and quicker. It is so tempting to go out and buy really expensive, impressive looking kit, the kind of stuff you'd expect to see in big commercial studios. However, it's not needed at all. And the same goes for expensive, fancy looking plugins. We can get really good results using the equipment we have and using the stock plugins in our DAW. We just need to understand how it all works and listen critically to our music, and we can achieve that polished professional sound. I promise it is possible. So don't go out and spend all your money at once. Okay, so in all honesty, there are some pieces of equipment that will work and sound better if you spend a bit more money on them. But that doesn't mean we have to spend a fortune. Firstly, there are some DAWs that you can get for free, like GarageBand or Pro Tools First. And there are plenty of free plugins that you can download and install into your DAW off of the internet. But I would advise spending a bit of money on a microphone. I would avoid going for the super low price range and going super budgeted for your microphone. And this is because with microphones, you really get what you pay for. They can affect the sound of your recording, which can be really tricky to compensate for when mixing. So spend a bit of money, maybe around £50 to £100, and it'll be worth it, I promise. Dedicated audio interface units also allow you to get a really good recording, and these tend to go for around £100 or less. I would also consider looking for some second-hand gear, and this is because people often upgrade their own equipment and sell on their old stuff. Just look out for and be wary of any broken equipment and any fakes. So that's the most simple, minimalistic setup you need to be able to record a song. In the next video, we're going to be having a look at interfaces, how to choose them, how to use them, and how to connect them. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions or thoughts down in the comments. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you again very soon.